Welcome to Structural Analysis Lectures by Civil Thinking, and this is our second class on trusses. Now this is going to be a very short lecture, and in this we will see some famous truss types. Okay, so now first of all you can see this truss, we call this as Warren truss or Warren truss, whatever. Okay, now basically it is what? It is simply the connecting of the simple equilateral triangles. Okay, we get Warren truss. Okay, this is one simplest triangular unit, right? Triangle here. Okay, then you connect another triangle here. Okay, and then you connect another triangle. So this way you get a Warren truss, right? This is Warren truss. Now we don't have any vertical member in this. Now if we add vertical members, as you can see here, the vertical members, okay, the vertical members, so this becomes Warren truss with vertical supports. Okay, so now we have another type of Warren truss. Okay, we call this as quadrangular Warren truss. Okay, in this what we do, like we have this basic Warren truss, right? This is the basic version, basic, right? Basic Warren truss. Then you add a vertical member here, and you add a vertical member at the other end. Okay, then you add zigzag, okay, connecting from one end to the midpoint of other side. Okay, like this. Then you get quadrangular Warren truss. Okay, Warren truss. Then we have, as you can see here, this is known as Pratt Truss, whatever you call this as. Now it is like, as you can see here, it is like this. We have a rectangle here, right? We have things like this, lateral, members connected like this. So this is a Pratt Truss. Okay, now let me show you the Baltimore Truss. As you can see here, this is known as Baltimore Truss. Now basically the Baltimore Truss is a variant of Pratt Truss. Okay, what you do here is when you add more members from the one end to the middle of the another adjacent side, okay, like this. Okay, when you add these additional members to the Pratt Truss, you get Baltimore Truss, right? This is Baltimore Truss. Okay, now we have more types of trusses, but they were very famous, so I decided to introduce them. Okay, so that's it for today's lecture. See you in the next class. Thank you.